Give me some tape. Tape. That's it. That's it, bro. That's it. See it? Yeah, I took it out already.
Yeah. Today, Mercedes Shells is working on
no videos, man.
Steering.
No videos.
Steering angle sensor. You guys know y'all don't have this video online, so you're gonna have to share this if anybody run into this problem. This is the making of a 1 million view video right here. I've scoured the internet and they don't have nothing like this. So the problem was, every time I drove, unexpectedly, the ESP and brake light would come on. And once that would occur, it's like my steering it seemed like it would swing. 1 minute I might have the steering wheel tilted to the left, going straight ahead, and then another moment it might all of a sudden feel like I'm pulling it to the right to stay straight. So after putting it through a diagnostic scan, we came back with a C1104, I believe was the code. And that indicated that the steering angle sensor was no longer functioning properly. So I shot down to the dealer, and this is the number for anybody that got the 2005 S430 4matic. Alright, so I shot down there, prepaid my order to come back with this. This is a steering angle sensor for 2005 S430.
Don't do that. I don't like that, man. It makes me uncomfortable working, man.
You see?
Why are you taking pictures of me with this shit anyway?
My bro don't understand the importance of it. See, some people do not want you to know nothing. And I do respect that. Because knowledge is power. See? But my bro Mercedes Shells is the truth. And at the end of the day, I put the money on that guy. I put the money on that guy.
Nice, go inside.
I put the money on that guy. So at this point, we're there. Let's go and take a look at what's going on with that steering angle sensor. See? Lens complete auto. Banger. And that's all we do down here. All we do is take your foreign car back to basic. Everybody brings their foreign. So let's get back to, see, we got the good people down here making people's shit look better. We got brothers inside. Brother Monty right there. Excellent mechanic, body man extraordinaire. We're working on all classes. We even got the big dogs. So my guys is 150% certified. All we do is Benz. All we do is Benz. Mercedes shells.
Pop. You
Oh,
using
let
this?
me just.
Big boss. You using this cardboard?
Let me see what's going on in them Mercedes shells. That's my little baby. That's my little baby. My little baby. Say hello to my little friend. Gucci interior. We gotta get this thing situated. Now, right now, as you can see, we took out the whole switch column.
You got light there? Yes.
We removed the airbag.
What's happening, man? What's going on, man? What up, baby? Long time no see.
Remove the,
Yeah, man.
remove the steering wheel.
That's that weekend.
That's what we could do, right?
You feel me?
Yes.
Yeah, respect.
Remove the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Remove the airbag. Remove the column. And now Mercedes Shells is getting ready to do his magic. What the? See? You gotta be an assistant. Sometimes it's alright to be the assistant, everybody. Don't be so proud you won't assist a man to fix your Benz. Lend a hand. Let's get right down in there. Let's see what it looks like. See what it looks like in there. For anybody, we're in the streets of Brooklyn, New York. And there we go. Ready to let you know. You can find us on 1420 Utica Avenue. 1420 Utica Avenue. Between Forster and Farragut. Benz Auto. Come down and check us out. Come meet Mercedes Shells. And you can leave your location and comments in the section below. And if you really need us, no matter where your problem lies, just send the gas money, or in some rare occasions, the plane tickets. And we'll fly on out there and get you up and running in no time. This is guaranteed. I can guarantee you. I can guarantee. All right, now the magic is being made. We're getting closer to that angle sensor. We just realized it's different sensors for different models. This is a S-Class steering angle sensor replacement. We're down at ground zero. We're at ground zero. There it goes. The faulty sensor. That probably, you might know that your sensor is bad when you done got a wheel alignment and your tires still are not treading properly. That might be a sign. Just take note of that after you get the after you go for a wheel alignment. Just take note of that, especially if your wheel alignment was typically in line with your steering and everything. Okay, so now we're right there. This is the bad one, complete bad one. But now we're on the way to that problem is done. See. We won't mention the tools. You'll have to figure it out, but this is basic. This is just the basic parts. But you'll need some additional things. And that's where knowledge is the proper approach. You gotta wanna know this stuff. Swing around to the other side, folks. Oh, you needed these brackets? Not yet? Okay. Remember, being an assistant. So how was your night, Mercedes Shells? The bright sun. Getting ready to send it across America to the rest of y'all. Look at the New York City MTA going your way. If your way is that way. Simultaneously, we're also replacing a mirror that got damaged. And this thing. Oh, this go last. No, go over.
fenders are so fat.
Well, you don't put it on the what you call it.
Ain't got no magnet with it.
All you gotta do is put it like this and then turn it upside down. Put it on here and then turn that upside down.
Stupid.
Again, like my lighter. Huh? The lighter.
Hold on a second. Check the CPI. Nah, I give it back to you. I have it. None of my pocket. Shit, can't miss that like that.
Lighter's so big you can't miss it. Even when you shoot it, you can miss it in your hand.
Got it? Huh?
Don't dirty my Gucci. Please, brother. My best brother right there. I'd like to let all you S-Class owners know C-Cane is the way to go. Upgrade your system today at ccane.com. That's SEICANE.com. For all your...
You might want to hold the steering like that firm. Hold it firm.
It's just, you got the wheel straight, right? Or the steering wheel. Should I get the computer now? I'm saying the computer we need, right?
To reset the codes. Go get it from him. Ask him if he can use it. Oh, sorry. Good morning. Sorry, sir. Good morning. Dun, 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 dun. You know shit is serious when you gotta pull out this, the briefcase. The secret. Secrets. Take it out the box, Joe. You asked him for it or you just took it?
Just took it. I don't know what I'm doing with it. You know I'm not playing with it. Hopefully we got enough charge in this shit. You need the official real shit. Not the remember? Here's the cover. Is that broke mirror I was talking about?
Your job is to hook it up while I push the mirror. Watch out. Hook it up. Hook it up.
Okay. Now I gotta do
Get the mirror.
my magic.
That's it right there. Okay, good.
Real shit. You don't need to have fake. Huh? You want to put it on?
The white cover.
Yeah.
It's dry?
Yeah, I guess so, but just hold it tight as you put it on. I'll get the other shit.
Start it up and put the signal on the signal.
Yeah, it's blinking.
Yeah, you ain't got to connect it. No.